Okay, so let's just have a quick recap. We've set up and tested our Visual Studio environment. We've uploaded the code, and we've tested some of the utterances, some of the intents we might have. We then moved to the Amazon environment, set up the information and the interaction model. We've added the utterances, that's what the user might say, and we've added our hello intent and how that might be invoked to run our program. Let's just move on to finally to configure and test our program. So back into the developer environment, we'll click configuration. And that takes us to the screen here. We've done the skill, set up the skill information. We've got that skill ID that we passed back to the Lambda management console. We've done our interaction model, and now we want our configuration. This is where we need to decide whether we're going to have our program hosted on the Amazon Web Services or on our own area. We're just going to use the Amazon Web Services, and this is where we put in the ARN, the Amazon resource number that we stored before. So I'll just put that in, and we'll scroll down, and we'll just click next. Now we can finally get onto our testing, and we can do that either here in this screen, or we can go to the beta test simulator. We'll just try it here first of all. Here's where we type in what the user might say. So we could say open John's calculator, and we'll see what happens. We should get a launch request here. And if you remember in our code, we should have the output launch request calculator opened. And we can listen to that if we want to.
Launch request calculator opened.
Okay, so now we've got that opened, we might want to invoke one of our hello intents. So we might say something like hi. And sure enough, there we got hello from John's calculator. So we now know which piece of code is executed, so we modify that for our own code now. We had some other utterances as well. We had a good morning, we'll just check that works. Okay, we've got another hello from John's calculator. Or we're going to say just hello, I suppose. Type it right. John's calculator.
Help me.
And again, hello from John's calculator. We can try one of the other intents like help and see what happens now. This time we help me. Again, we can. Okay, the other ones we didn't look at were we could just say stop, and we can try that, and we say it says stop. Okay, so now we've done that, we're trying it out on our Alexa. So I can ask Alexa now then to try running it. Alexa, open John's calculator.
Launch request.
There's